If Keypirinha suddenly won't open, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several quick fixes that can get Keypirinha working again on Windows. We'll check the shortcut, restart the app, reset configuration files, and reinstall it if necessary. First, press the launcher shortcut, usually Ctrl plus Windows plus K. If nothing appears, try opening Keypirinha directly from the Start menu or its installation folder to confirm whether the shortcut is the problem. Sometimes Keypirinha is already running in the background, but the launcher window is hidden. Open Task Manager, look for Keypirinha in the process list, select it, and choose End Task. Then launch the app again. If Keypirinha still won't open, a corrupted configuration file may be causing the issue. Open the user configuration folder and temporarily rename the configuration directory. Then start Keypirinha again to see if it launches with default settings. Next, right-click the Keypirinha executable and choose Run as administrator. If it opens successfully, the issue may be related to permissions or security software blocking the application. If none of the previous steps work, download the latest version from the official website and reinstall it. During the reinstall, keep a backup of your configuration files if you want to restore your custom settings later. And that's how to fix Keypirinha when it won't open. In most cases, restarting the process or resetting the configuration folder solves the problem quickly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Keypirinha troubleshooting guides.